With TextBlaze, you can automate workflows, data transfer, and form filling on any website to help you save time. For example, you can read data from LinkedIn and use it in another tab to fill out a form, or you can autofill an email with data being pulled from your CRM. The possibilities are endless. In this video, I'll cover how to automate form filling, how to read data from any source, how to manipulate data read by TextBlaze, and some examples to give you an idea of what's possible. With TextBlaze, you can quickly fill out repetitive forms using Autopilot commands. The first command that you can use to do this is the key command, which emulates a key press when used. This helps you insert text in multiple fields by tabbing between them. It can also emulate keys other than tab, like arrows to select from the drop-down menus in online forms. TextBlaze can also click elements on a page and select from menus. You can do this using the click command. When you add it to a snippet, you have to select the element from the page so the TextBlaze knows which element to click. Highlight it, click it, and then click Save. Then when you use the snippet, TextBlaze can fill out text in multiple fields and even click elements to help you fill out the form. It can sometimes be necessary to wait for fields to load when using Autopilot to fill out forms or select from menus. Using TextBlaze's wait command, you can add built-in delays to your Autopilot sequences that help make sure your fields are loaded before proceeding. For example, in my snippet that fills out a Google form for me, I've added the wait command so that menus and fields load properly before they are filled out. Now when you use the snippet, you can see that there's a delay between automations so that the fields load properly. You can use various data sources with Autopilot. For example, you can use forms to fill in placeholders, the cite command to read data across tabs, DataBlaze to read data from data tables, AIBlaze to summarize data and use it in snippets, and the urlload command to make API calls. Check the link in the description to learn more about the urlload command. With TextBlaze's forms, you can customize the data that is used to fill out repetitive online forms and menus. With TextBlaze's cite command, you can select elements from websites to read and use in your snippets. You can even read data and use it across tabs. Add the command to your snippet, then highlight the element, click it, then click Save to add it to your snippet. If you have multiple pages of data open that you're reading from, when you use the snippet, you can choose which one you want to use. This can be used with Autopilot commands to use the data to do various things. For example, I'm reading data from a CRM, and now I'm using it in another tab with Autopilot to automatically fill out an email. If you store data in DataBlaze, you can use TextBlaze snippets to read the data and use it with Autopilot commands. This example reads data from DataBlaze and uses it to automatically write an email using that information. You can also use AIBlaze to summarize data like a contact page in your CRM or a PDF, and then TextBlaze can take the summary, parse through it, and use the parts that you need with Autopilot commands. Sometimes it is necessary to manipulate the data read with TextBlaze. For example, if you read the name from your CRM, but only with the first name, you can use TextBlaze to only get the first name. To do this, you can copy the selector, create a formula, use the split function, add in your placeholder, add a space between the quotes, then add a number in brackets at the end to determine which item in the list you want to use. For example, I've added 1, which gives me the first name. If I change it to 2, it gives me the last name. Keep in mind that there are other ways to extract text that you need using formulas, regular expressions, and more. Check the description for links to our guides and examples from this video, and as always, feel free to post in our community for help.